Hello, we are Yoonjung, Idogyong, Isungwan of Group 5. The topic we are going to present is bad effects of pressure on individuals. We'll start now. Recently, in Korea, the number of individuals affected by work pressure has increased. Work pressure negatively affects individuals. From now on, two reporters will present how individuals suffer from work pressure. People that the table of contents is first main point, second main point, and source. The first main point is factors affecting individuals, and reporter Lee Do-kyung will explain first.
Excessive work burden causes mental fatigue and disease. Most of them are cerebrovascular disease called overwork in Korea. It means that she works herself to death. It's caused by overwork or stress or dies from worsening. If you work for a long time, you will feel weak, tired, and suddenly your heart will beat or sweat. In several cases, breathing difficulties can also occur. To prevent this, it's necessary to improve heavy long working hours, take a break, or exercise regularly. Excessive work pressure becomes stressful, resulting in negative efforts such as decreased motivation and obstruction, and prolonged pressure reduces hourly labor productivity. Labor productivity means how good the results of employees' effort or time are. However, it was found that the labor productivity of Korea workers remained at the bottom of the OECD. On the other hand, annual working hours per person are at the top. This means that they work longer than other countries, but they are less efficient. Compared to other countries, Ireland has about 3 times as much labor productivity as Korea, followed by Luxembourg, Norway, Denmark, and the United States. The reason for the OECD is that chronic overtime within the company and individual concentration of work are poor. We know that the reducing working hours alone is not the solution. So we need to know that individual work's human capabilities must be strengthened to achieve high results by working for a short time.
As reporter Lee Do-kyung said, the burden of work causes mental fatigue or disease. In addition, work pressure becomes stressful, reducing motivation and labor productivity. The impact on these individuals shows that work pressure should be reduced. Next, the second main point is factors affecting work. Reporter Iswan will explain.
Time pressure caused by the body culture may lead to need for cognitive closure. Need for cognitive closure is a concept proposed by American social psychologist Ariel Klublonsky, which means a desire to reach a firm and immutable final conclusion that cannot be disproved when exposed to any information. The higher the NFCC, the more you insist on your own answer, and if this process is repeated, you will not be able to produce the best results. Such NFCC can cause various logical errors such as occurrence errors and hasty generalizations errors. There are many accidents that have occurred because of the atmosphere that prioritizes the finishing of work. There are 2 major accidents in Korea. Sampung department store caused accidents due to various poor management, such as arbitrarily changing each structure design for profit and excessively operating without approval for completion. The other is Seong's Bridge on the Hangang River in 1994. The collapse of Seong's Bridge collapsed due to the complacent response of the construction company and the Seoul metropolitan government, which tried to finish the work in a hurry. As many as 32 people were killed due to the collapse of Sangsu Bridge.
As reporter Iswan said, if you solve a problem in a hurry due to work pressure, you will not be able to make the best choice, and rather than focusing on the quality of work, prioritizing finished work resulting in incomplete result in conclusion. As the two reporters have said so far, work pressure not only adversely affects individual health, but also adversely affects the final work result. In conclusion, most work stress is caused by work pressure, and individual efforts are needed to reduce this phenomenon. However, I think the company should make greater efforts to think of people as a priority. It is effective to provide barriers for pairs so that each individual can develop and to think about people rather than work. That's it for the news. Thank you.